Hey guys, what I'd like to do today is talk about the Spigen Glass TR Slim. This is a screen protector kit for the GoPro Hero 9 Black, 10 Black and 11 Black because all of those GoPro cameras have the same size and dimensions. And I have the screen protectors on my GoPro Hero 11 Black, and as you can see, my camera is in the GoPro Media Mod case. So officially this kit retails at $29.99, but you will see it a little bit cheaper than that. On Amazon UK right now, it is £13.99. Now, it's worth noting that is a few pounds more expensive than most other screen protectors, but one reason is it's Spigen, but the other reason is that this kit is compatible with the Media Mod. You see, one of the problems with the Media Mod case is that it doesn't work well with tempered glass on the back screen. If you put a tempered glass screen protector here, this just won't close properly. So what Spigen have done is put film at the back. So they've got a screen protector which is tempered glass for the front screen and for the lens cover, but for the back they've just used film, and that's another reason why this one is kind of sought after. Now, it is worth noting they do have an installation guide, but there's nothing there for GoPro, but it's worth pointing that out because here it does say install.spigen.com. Go to the installation video and learn how to install it. But there's no video there. Kind of annoying they've told you to go there. But anyway, I digress. So, screen protectors are always annoying to apply, as you know. I had a lot of problems applying the back screen. Now, there's no installation video, but there are some instructions. But in my opinion, the instructions were pretty bad. And I ended up using both of the available screen protectors in the kit because it's a 2-pack. And I used both because it was just a stupid little system. And this is one of the things I hate about screen protectors now, is that every company has their own little system, their own little method of getting it, applied in the perfect position. But I just didn't like the way they done it. And I did get it applied. It doesn't look too bad. But yes, it was a little bit of a pain. Another pain for me, and I can show you all the remnants of the screen protector kit. The other pain for me was the cleaning wipe. So, cleaning wipes are part of every screen protector kit. The wipes here were absolutely useless. They were as dry as this almost instantly. They were just absolutely pointless. I got a few wipes and then I tried it again and they were dry. Terrible. Especially when you're paying a little bit more for this kit compared to other screen protectors. Now, the tempered glass for the front screen and for the front lens was a lot easier to apply. Good protection there at the front. So I'm pleased with the tempered glass on the front screen and on the lens cover. But I would say I don't think people should be buying this. I think it's a waste of time for the majority of GoPro users. First reason is that I don't know how much you really need a screen protector for GoPros. For me, I was looking for protection for the front screen and the back screen. The reason I'm saying that is because the camera sensor here is underneath the lens cover here. And this is replaceable for like $10. You can actually replace this lens cover here if you break it. You can replace it cheaper than this screen protector kit. So, you really don't need protection for this sensor. And a lot of people say that you shouldn't put a screen protector on that anyway because it can affect the image. I've decided to just try it to see if it does give me extra protection. But for me, the real reason to buy a screen protector kit was to protect the screen at the front and the back. But as I noted, one of the good things about this is that it is compatible with the Media Mod, but that back film, which was very annoying for me to apply, it really doesn't offer any protection at all. Maybe it'll protect some scratches, but you're not going to get any protection from a drop from the back film here. It's borderline pointless and meaningless. So you could probably pay half the money to get a kit that that does have tempered glass here and just throw it away if you're using the Media Mod. But yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, you're not going to get much protection at the back here. There's an argument for not needing protection here. Protection for the front screen, I think it's a good thing, if you drop your camera. But yeah, it was the back screen I was really hoping to get protection for. It's a little bit of an oversight from GoPro that their Media Mod attachment doesn't have like a fixed, glass here that you can replace or something, or even just being compatible with tempered glass. But there you go. So my opinion of this is that it's probably not worth the money. It really isn't. And like I said, there's a few reasons for that. One is that installation of the back film is annoying. It's kind of meaningless. It doesn't offer you any protection. And the wipes were terrible. But the real reason to buy this is for the tempered glass for the front. So if you're just looking for tempered glass for the front screen here and for the lens cover, then I think you'd be happy with this. But there's a lot of screen protectors out there that offer tempered glass at like half the cost. So in hindsight, I think I should have just bought a cheaper kit. I think Spigen really should have done a better job here overall. But there you go. This has been a look at the Spigen Glass TR Slim. Let me know what you think about this if you've got it yourself. Let me know if you think screen protectors are absolutely pointless for action cameras. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Please do leave a comment below. And until next time, take care.